How to export data from Google Forms to Microsoft Excel. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be a very simple tutorial. Basically, we want to export the responses data from our Google Forms and basically add it to our Microsoft Excel. So I have just created this example form. So let's just name it example form. And I'm just going to add a few questions here. So question one, just so we can at least have some answers here. And I'm just going to add another question just because we want more. Okay, and we have these options. Okay, great. So let me just go ahead and create a few responses here, and I will get back to you and show you how to export it. Okay, so now I have actually three different responses here for these questions. And let's just go ahead and show you how to actually export it. Now, the thing is, we have our answers here, and you can actually just view it from Excel by just link to Sheets here. Well, we can just go ahead and click on Create. It's going to be Sheets, not Excel, but yeah, you can actually see it as if it is Excel. But if you actually want it to be from within Excel itself, instead of, Google Sheets, what we can do is we can just click on the three dots here on right next to the view in Sheets or link to Sheets, and then you want to basically click on download responses.csv. So just go ahead and click on that, and it's just going to actually download it for you as a zip file, and we can just use this to open it up in Excel, and we have that ready to go. You just need to go ahead and actually extract the contents. So let's just go ahead and find this file, bring it back to desktop. So make sure you have some sort of a compressor here, so zip or WinRAR basically. And I'm just going to click on extract here. And once that's done, I should have the file ready to go. And you would want to just open this up in your Google, not Google, just Microsoft Excel. So let me just go ahead into my Office real quick, and in here what we would want to do is just scroll down till we see the upload file, and then we just find the file right here, which is untitled form, and it should just open up for us. Okay, I'm just going to do it one more time. There you go. It actually does open up for us, and now we have it in our Microsoft Excel. Let me just open it up. Okay, there you go. Converting your file so you can actually edit it. It shouldn't really take too long, but yeah, here we go. We have our responses in our Microsoft Excel. It's very easy and simple to do. Now, obviously, you can just feel free to edit things out here if you want to make it a little bit bigger if you would like. And yeah, we have our responses in Microsoft Excel. Hopefully, you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.